Hello guys, good morning. In this video, I will try to explain to you why the stock market is different from any other business, and why a lot of people they don't understand how the market works. Okay, so I will give you right now an example. Let's say if you are like a car dealer, okay, you go and you want to find cars that are cheap and you buy them and then you sell them by the market price, which is online, and then he can make a profit. But the problem is, in stock market, when you take a stock, you can't say that this is cheap or this is expensive and you can't buy it because of that. A lot of people, they have theories, and you will see that some, they say, even some indicators, they say, oh, it's overbought, it's oversold, but this doesn't make sense, because the stock, what you get is the price of now. The past, it's, you don't know if the past will be like the future. If the stock is going up, let's say the price of the stock was $10, now it is $50, but you don't know if the stock from $50 can go to $100. No one knows. So no one knows what is expensive and what is cheap in a stock. A stock is what you see now, and this is the price. Now, if you want to predict, this is your problem. It means you can predict it goes up, but after months it goes down. So you are wrong. Or you can predict that it goes up and it can go up and you are right. But to be sure, there is no sure thing. That's why for me, I don't predict. When I see a stock begin to move upwards, I buy. This company is a small, or is it not known, or whatever is the stock company. I don't care about the company. What I care about is the price, because the price makes me the profit, not the company itself. Okay? If you go to big companies, most of them they move so slow. But the people, instead of buying companies that are young, that can go very, very quick up, okay? Let's say, I give you just an example. I have always given the example. Facebook, for example. In 2 years, it was 1755. Now, it is nearly 80. Okay? You are making more than 400%. Ask any mutual fund. Go online. Check everything. Okay? Check the big blue chips. Have you seen ever like a blue chip getting 400% in 2 years? Never. Now, why? Because people who are really investors and hedge funds, they are looking for something young, something that can double in 1 year or two. Okay, that's why they follow this kind of stocks. So if you buy old, very old companies, they go so slow. Okay, and they say, oh, you are safe there. No, there is no safe thing in the market. Now, going back to our subject, I say in the stock market, the price that you see now, like let's say Friday, today we are on Saturday, now 21st of February. Now yesterday, the price that you see yesterday is the price of the stock. Okay, you can't say it is cheap or it is expensive. Okay, it's not like in other businesses. Now, second thing I want to mention about stock market is that there is something that doesn't exist in other businesses. Now, what is this thing? Is shorting the stocks. Okay? This thing doesn't exist in a real business, like a car dealer business or any other kind of business or retail business. You can't sell property of others and then you buy back them, and then you take the profit. You can't do that in real business in the world. But in stock market, it is a real thing. That's why a lot of people, they don't understand the stock market. Okay? They don't understand that some people, they can sell your shares if you invest. They can sell your shares. You say to me, how can they sell my shares? Okay? I own them and I see them in my account. Yes, they are sold. Okay? And the broker, and he gets money from selling your shares, but he will never tell you because you own them, but he can sell them. Now they will give it back to you, okay? Because they are there in the account. But a broker, they have the ability to sell any other stocks that he has, okay? If you own them in his account. Now this you can never know if your shares are being sold or not. Okay, so this is some secrets in the market that you will never know. It is so, there are so many secrets that no one talks about. Okay, and no one dares to talk about this because, you know, the stock market, it has all the wealth of America and other countries. It's a very, very big wealth. It's a money machine. Some people are making a lot of money, okay, and some people are losing too much money, especially the public. The public is the feeder. They feed the market. Some people are eating from this food, okay, and they give you they sell you what you call dreams, okay. Invest like Warren Buffett. Put your money 50 years, 60 years, you become a millionaire or billionaire. Okay? But ask the other people. Let's say, for example, a mutual fund manager. Ask him to put his money 50 years and then he gets paid. Do you think he will accept that? No. He will be paid each year and he is paid too much money. I'm telling you, last year, the first mutual fund manager, his salary was, with bonuses, the first one in America, he got $3.5 billion in 1 year. This is how the people make money, okay? But without risk, because he doesn't risk nothing. He risks the people who buy mutual funds, and he ran this thing. So this is the thing about stock market. Now, as I told you before, there are two major characteristics of the stock market. The first one I told you is that the price of a company is what you see now. No one will tell you, if someone tells you that it is cheap or is expensive, he does nothing, he doesn't know nothing about the stock market, because who will know in the future? The future is the future. No one knows. Whatever strategy you do, whatever investing techniques that you do, whatever you do, you don't know the future. Okay? But in trading and swing trading, what the people do, they try to follow the price action. If there is an action, the price will be active. People, they buy and they make some money, either up or down. Okay? So second thing of the characteristic of the market is shorting the stocks. Now this criteria, this idea of shorting the stocks, it happens only in the stock market. Have you ever seen shorting something in the out of the stock market? There is no. That's why some people, they don't understand how things works. Okay? For example, if you bought mutual fund like for gas and oil 6 months or 8 months ago, you will have a big loss. Okay? Now, but if you bought financials or utilities, you will have profit. So you see the thing? It means where, in order to make money, you should be in the industries and the sector that it is making money. The others, they are shorting it, they are taking money from this sector or from these industries. Though you tell me, who are these guys? These guys control the stock market. They can do whatever they want. They can push an industry up and people follow. Like for us, like swing traders, day traders, they follow. Some investors follow. And if they want to put it down, some people follow them by shorting the industries and stocks for this. That's why a lot of people, even when you see TV, when you go online, especially TV, okay, they try to entertain you, okay, entertain you. Something that last year, for example, a mutual fund has done good, mutual fund, any name, they will tell you, oh, this guy has made, and this mutual fund has made 100% profit from last year. Now, what does it mean he tells you now? He tells you now to buy this mutual fund. Although he is this mutual fund manager, he's selling his stocks. And then you see that the stock that the mutual fund is buying is going down. So you lose money, okay? And you commit to nothing. That's why I'm telling you that the stock market, as a business, as an industry, it creates products. And most of these products makes people lose money. Okay, see, few people are making the money because they understand the game. All the game is based on price. If you don't understand the price action in a stock or in option or in futures or in commodities, wherever is the thing, if you don't understand the price, you will never make it in the stock market and you will lose all your money. Okay? Because when you follow people, you lose money. But when you decide for yourself, you can make money better than any mutual fund manager or better than anyone else, because you know better how to invest your money than anyone else. And no one has the future of any stock or anything. Okay? But the people, they just predict. Now, predicting is not something scientific. It means it's just you find analysts predicting something, but always the future is against them and they are wrong. Okay? Now, some people, they use speculating, which is a real thing. They can make a lot of money by speculating, but they can lose a lot of money also. Okay? So as you can see from my from what I say, is that the stock market industry and business, it is totally different from any other business. Okay? If the market is down, some people are making money. But in real business, like what happened, for example, in 2008, where the housing business crashed, almost all the people who are working in industry business, they lose their jobs. Either workers who construct houses, they lose their business, they lose their jobs. People who are real estate agents, they lose their jobs. Banks, they go bankrupt. Everything go bankrupt, and they lose a lot of money. Okay, this is because the industry has collapsed. So in the market, like in the stock market, when this industry collapses, people, they are shorting it and they are making money out of the bankruptcy of other people. Okay, so that's why it's different. So for you, try to, even if you have a business, you understand a lot of things. I have seen a lot of people sending me emails. They having businesses, but when they go to stock market, they lose money. Now why? Because the game of other businesses is not the same as stock market game. Stock market game is about the price. If you see something going up, try to commit some money and go with it. Okay? If it goes up, you are making money. But if it goes against you, don't commit. Just exit and watch. This is the best thing you can do. Just watch. If there is an opportunity, buy. If there is no, keep your money safe in your account. Okay? So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, comment or ask or write private message. Thumb it up, please, and subscribe if you don't. Thank you very much.